Welcome to Line Down. I'm Gail Towle with Ames Solder, here to help resolve your production line problems. Today, we have a question from Brian who writes, we recently switched to a different SAC305 solder supplier to save costs, but we've started running into issues with our wave soldering process. We're seeing inconsistent soldering, an increase in bridging, and we've had to scrap more boards than usual. What's going on? Thanks for your question, Brian. It sounds like the cost-saving decision to switch suppliers is causing more problems than anticipated. While it may seem like a straightforward way to reduce expenses, not all manufacturers of SAC305 solder are the same. The quality of the alloy can vary significantly between suppliers, even if the product is labeled as the same composition. And as you're unfortunately discovering, lower quality materials can lead to issues like poor wetting, increased bridging, inconsistent solder joints, and more, all of which result in lost production time and increased scrap, offsetting any initial cost savings. At AIM, we focus on pricing our products competitively while maintaining the highest quality standards. We understand the need to manage costs, especially as SAC305 prices have been on the rise, largely due to its silver content. If you're looking to reduce costs without sacrificing quality, we recommend switching to our REL 61 alloy. REL 61 offers comparable or even superior performance to SAC305 across all key metrics, and it's versatile, working for both wave soldering and SMT applications. And the best part? It's more affordable because it contains less silver, making it a great option for those needing to manage material costs. If you're interested in exploring REL 61 further, our technical support team is here to help with the transition. Until next time.